She's so down, about to roll another fatty. Roll that up, baby. My money ain't green, it's so brown, got some big ones in between. Nah, I mean, hey, these fuckers think we just Canadian. Look at us like we some aliens. Fuck is that? Make music for the stadiums. 40 and Drake, can you relate to them? Huh? Yeah.
I've been hitting tracks malicious, all my victims bear witness. Trying to comprehend my sickness out the loop, we with the business. We're constantly leveled up, a meal without a bluff. From putting buff in the Yoda, now strictly we uncut. Used to chill in the bleachers, now we all up in the guts. Used to have to steal goods, now we all up in the cup. From building our empire to double shots in the cup. Double up on my orders, I'm about to take them to lunch. Gotta send kicks like a sensei. Again, they have to throw shade and they envy. Comprende. Girls, you know we have them by the plenty. Third down and long, we just go until it's empty. Gas. Always tread light where the snakes lay. Gas. Spill another drink on a Wednesday. Facts. Must be test day, I'm the tutor. Gave her that D, she really into Kama Sutra.
I'm at the stadium. I see you at the stadium. Stadium, yeah, I check you at the stadium. My shorty be a baddie. She's so down, about to roll another fatty. My money ain't green, it's so brown, got some big ones in between. Nah, I mean, hey, these fuckers think we just Canadian. Look at us like we some aliens. Fuck is that? Make music for the stadiums. 40 and Drake, can you relate to them? Huh? Yeah, cause you know I hold it down for my city. Every time I come around, I tear it down for my city, yeah. And you better ask your chick if she feel me. First time I gave a dick, now the bitch catching feelings, yeah. Gon' be alone, dead, gon' be alone, dead, gon' be alone, dead. We at the stadium. I see, I'm at the stadium. I see you at the stadium. The stadium, yeah.